Hello and welcome to Foxy Tech Tips. This is a tutorial on deleting and rearranging apps on your LG Smart TV. Please give the video a like if it helps you out and check out our website foxytechtips.com for more detailed tutorials. Firstly, to rearrange the order of the apps, hit the home button on your LG remote to bring up the apps dashboard. Scroll to an app you would like to edit and hold down the OK button. This will bring up the edit mode. You can now move your selected app to any position you like and hit OK to drop it into place. You can now select another app and repeat the process until it is organized. You can also delete apps from here. To do that, select the app like before and hit the X icon just above the app. And that draws an end to this short tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to our channel for more LGTV tutorials. You can also find this tutorial over at our website foxytechtips.com.